here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a boba tea squishy. So I'm not going to paint this squishy, but you will need some foam and some scissors. And if you want to paint it, you can just paint it. So let's get started. You want to start off by getting the right piece from your foam. Okay, this doesn't want to focus. So this is going to be a mini boba tea. So I would use this part. So it doesn't need to be thick or anything. So you're going to just cut the hard edges. I don't know how to pronounce that. I don't even know what I'm saying. Then cut this top part. So I'm not good at shaping actually. So just like that. Then you want to just smooth the surface of your boba tea. So you want to just fast forward this and yeah. So here's what it turned out. Turned out pretty well. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!